Okay, here's a fun fact that most people don't know. Here at Canadian Hot Tubs, we sell twice as many hot tub covers as we do actual hot tubs. And these are the hot tub covers right here that are waiting to go out the door to our customers. Why is that? Think about that for a second. Why is it that we're selling twice as many covers as tubs? Every time somebody buys a hot tub from Canadian Hot Tubs, they obviously get a cover with it, but where are all the extra covers going? If you have a hot tub, one of those fiberglass hot tubs, you'll know that the covers they come with, those spongy top covers, they only last for 4 or 5 years. And once they get wet, they are the heaviest things in the world to lift. So eventually you're gonna have to replace that cover. Where those people are all choosing to get a Canadian Hot Tubs handmade cedar hot tub cover instead of getting another foam cover, and here's why. These covers, because of the way that they're manufactured, they're very easy to roll on and roll off of your hot tub, so they secure really easily. This is an insulating pad that literally goes all the way around, so it still has the insulating qualities of the foam hot tub covers. But the best part about it is these are made by hand, and every one of these hot tub covers is literally checked before it goes out the door. We send them out the door secure so that when you get your new cover, it's incredibly easy to install. So if you're in the market for a new hot tub cover, check out our website and book a consultation and try a Canadian Hot Tubs handmade cedar hot tub cover instead.